All right, hey, what's up, guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Ringke Onyx case here for my iPhone 16 Pro. Ringke was kind enough to send this out for review, so big thank you and shout out to them. But yeah, man, this case is pretty sick. This is one of those cases that's been kind of a fan favorite, in my opinion, on my channel with almost any flagship phone that I've reviewed. They always do very well on my channel, but it just seems like people really gravitate towards these cases, and there's a lot of reason to do so. They're great. Ringke makes some fantastic cases and they're very affordable. I'll shoot over here the price of this case at the time of shooting this video. But as you can see, it is MagSafe compatible, which is awesome. It does have some really nice ruggedness going on inside, even though it's a very thin case. You do get some drop protection with this as well, so military standard, which is awesome. So let's grab my 16 Pro here. We'll slap it on. Install is extremely easy. And there we go. So there's the black Onyx case installed. Just like any of the Onyx cases, guys, the back of the material of the phone case feels very, very good. So has a nice texture to it. I'm sure as you can see in the video, you can kind of see that. I've been using this case all day today, so it's held up very, very well. I really like the camera bump design that they went with on this one. So the cutouts obviously are for the lenses, the LiDAR sensor, all that stuff. But one thing I have noticed is once the case is installed, those lenses actually push in. So what happens there is whenever I do take the case off, it's kind of stuck in there a little bit, which is kind of nice. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just something that I've noticed as I've taken the phone case on and off over the last day or so of me using it pretty religiously. So on the sides here, I really always love the Ringke sides. You got this really nice kind of like dotted material, which feels really, really nice. And then we got a nice raised power button, got a cutout there for the camera control button. And then you can just see there, I mean, just, you know, you see the corners, they're just kind of humped out there, which is really nice. And then of course we do have some slits there for a lanyard. And then here at the bottom, we have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port and our speakers. And then on this side, kind of the same thing. Got some Ringke branding here, volume up and down button, and then of course our action button there as well. And then at the top, that's just kind of the look top down. So looking here in the front at this angle, you can tell that we do have some lips going around the screen to give us that screen protection. It's a little more prominent on the forehead and chins in that corner. I do have a full screen tempered glass screen protector installed, so it's not messing with that at all or pushing up against it. And that's just kind of the look top down, so it looks pretty nice in my opinion. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test real quick. So if I put it face down, there's no shaking going on, but if I go back down, of course we got some shaking going on because it's a big iPhone 16 Pro camera bump back there. Now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. Let's start with that power button. Pretty clicky. Okay, volume up and down. Very clicky as well. Action button. Nice and responsive, so no complaints there. And then now let's check the ease of access to that camera control button. So I'm just gonna put one of my power cables here, and you can see, you know, as I've got it there, I can zoom out, zoom in, no issues there, can take the picture. So yeah, so camera control cutout is pretty dang nice as well. So check marks all around, no issues at all. So now let's go ahead and test the strength of the MagSafe capabilities since this is a MagSafe case. All right, so got my MagSafe charger here, so slap it on. And as you can see there, MagSafe charging compatible. The strength of the magnets are pretty good. I mean, it's got some force there. I can swing this around and it's not flying off, so that's always a plus. I mean, it's pretty strong. I mean, I'm shaking it pretty hard. Yeah, so if you use any kind of like MagSafe accessories in your car or on your desk or anything like that, this is gonna hold up just fine, guys. Works very, very, very well. So all in all, as the assessment at the end of the video is, obviously it's a Ringke case. It's nice. It feels great in the hand. It's slim. Doesn't really add any noticeable bulk. Feels good in the hand. I really love the grippy sides here. The back as well has that nice texture once again, so no fingerprint issues, really no smudging issues. So there you have it, guys. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.